Next up, we have a video from our friends at the Mandarin Language and Cultural Center, which has a campus right here in Milpitas. It shows step-by-step instructions for a traditional Chinese New Year paper cutting craft you can do at home. All you need is a sheet of red paper, scissors, and a pencil.
Alright, hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese New Year paper cutting craft. So here right now I have the wrapping paper that I got at dollar store. So I cut it down to 9 by 9. Okay, and then I have a stencil for the cutting. So this is the scrapbook paper that I cut it to half. So for this, later on we can use the craft that we cut out and make a Chinese New Year card, or we can use it, cut the paper and make a nice hanging decorations, or you can simply use this and tape it on the window as a decoration like this. All right, so the tools that we are going to need today are very simple. We're going to need a stapler, a pair of scissors, a hole puncher, and double-sided tape. This is for gluing the craft onto the card. Okay, so that's it. So first what we're gonna do is we're going to fold the paper into triangles like so. First we're gonna do this, and I think this gift wrapping paper is the perfect paper for cutting, because this is thin, and when you fold it in many times, it's not gonna be too thick for you to cut. Okay, so first you fold diagonal lines, and then you fold in half, and then half again. You're gonna fold it like this, like so, and then you're gonna fold it in this. So don't worry about the way to fold it. I will provide a link of instructions that you can later reference to it. Okay, and then we'll cut out the stencils. And finally, we're going to staple the stencil onto the gift wrapping paper that we just folded. Okay, and the part that you need to remember is, we're gonna cut out the the gray part, and we're going to leave the white part. Okay, so with the stapler, we just staple on the gray area so that we're gonna cut it out and we don't have to worry about it. So this is what we're gonna cut, all the gray part. Okay, right, I'm gonna show you how to cut it. So always you start with the little part, the small part, and then lastly we go cutting off the big part. So that way you cut it nice. Okay. Puncture this and make it a lot easier to cut the eyes of the tiger. So this is the year of tiger. That's why we're making the paper cutting with a tiger figure. So later when I open it, you will see the tiger. Okay. So this is the end product of our paper cutting. Okay, so you can see there are 4 tiger, and then the figure here is the bat. In Chinese, bat also means good luck. It sounds the same as luck. So this paper cutting is telling people that good luck in the year of tiger. Okay, you can make it, as I mentioned earlier, you can cut it down and then make it into a Chinese New Year card. Later you can send it to your friend or your teacher, or you can simply just hand it, tape it on your window, and it's gonna be a very nice decoration of the Chinese New Year. Okay.